Fast melt 15L wax melting pot. 3 pounds capacity, no double melting. Melt more wax, boost efficiency for small tasks. Dual power, 300W, gentle, or 50W fast, fits all needs. Easy pouring, no spills. Fast melt pot has a drip-free nozzle for smooth pouring. Easy clean, non-stick coating, less scrubbing, more creating. Convenient use, fits family, studio, commercial, gifts. Buy now, start candle making.